thank you. I don't know what's inside. You get it from Amazon.
Where's that?
There's a box at the door from Amazon and we collect it. How many to take up those? See here.
Hold on, let's start that video here. Where's that now?
One box. Rings of power. I don't know. Now yours. Your name come on it.
Oh, really?
You know I don't know.
I don't remember putting them.
Maybe put in man.
It's okay.
I don't feel something to put for you. You know I don't know.
Mm-mm.
Well, your name depending maybe a long time. I don't mean I don't know. Why you want me to pull your package?
Because that's good from inside.
I don't like this, you know, because you normally make me pull for your package. You always
No, I
take
don't
your
need nothing.
But I don't mean I don't know neither.
But everything you order come to my
So why you have video?
Because
Because what? No, this fishy.
when you order stuff,
I no,
when
look
you
out.
order stuff, it always comes to my name.
Yeah, always coming in him, yeah.
So must you order that?
Me not order nothing. Me not order nothing. Me not order nothing. So you're not easy, you know? No, sir. Oh, I got a camera. You have it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna put up a video. Oh my gosh! No, turn on the light because you're videoing. No, sir. Man, I don't have a bleach on shirt. It's okay. We might put up a video. Oh, my vlog. Come with the end of this. Come and tell us, sir. Oh my God, I'm gonna get this. One of them there. Oh, my first vlogging stuff. What is this? Oh no, oh, this a camera. How can a camera this? 4K. Yay. Guys, I don't understand how I feel. I'm gonna put up this. No matter how it will look, I'm gonna put up this. You know, it's gonna see how come on with camera. I know I see up to something. Oh, thank you. We should unbox it now. Let's unbox it. Oh my. So this is something for the car. May I have one already?
For the car.
Oh, thank you.
But it,
What is?
all of the ends work with the camera.
No, Mr. This, I swung up by one vlogging camera. More help me find the good one. And oh my gosh, that girl is vlogging. She's vlogging. I gotta unbox it after me wall. What would I call it? I'm anxious with it. After more excitement, I can't even talk. After more excitement finish, I'm gonna show you the things them. Wait a minute. Me in the kitchen a cooking and me hear the door knock and I'm like, what's that? And then Alexa come on and say, your package arrived. So me call you and ask you, and you're like, no, I don't know, you add it over my name. I'm a sick camera, I said, no, this is up to something. I don't know what this is. So, give me a minute. I gotta drink some water because I'm very excited for this. I must have said, Lord, what she going to for? But this is a big thing to me. Like, I always want on camera. I always use my phone, which my phone is good because I have like a good quality phone. Like
iPhone 14.
Yeah, it's really good. We show things, but listen, I gotta get a camera. Like, if me I do like a lot of videos and have it on it.
Mm-hmm.
But listen, a girl got her stuff. Listen. All right, guys. I'm gonna drink some water because I'm very excited about it. I'm very excited for this. Don't watch the bleach out shirt. I'm very excited for this. Finish cook, then we'll come back and show you guys what I got. I love this for me. So guys, I'm back. I'm very tired. I need to take a shower. Like I'm making dinner. I went to church today, so maybe that's why you see this over my head. I'm like, oh, what you know, with that the kind of blouse there, yeah. So I'm finally finished with my day. So I'm gonna go shower and just relax. All my ear like it dry out, but that's okay. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got with my new camera. Give me a like for that, thumbs up for that. Give me a like, guys. So let me look first. I don't know what this is. I don't know what is. Like, I don't know. Even the phone that I have now, what did I have the last time? I don't remember. Like 12 plus, 12? 11.
11 Pro Max.
I have that for a long time. I have that phone for a while. For it just come out, right? I know them which are the 14. I'm say, you know, no, me, I'm cool with phone. I mean, as long as it can me a WhatsApp, I can video something. It don't matter to me what kind of phone. I'm cool. How about this? Guys, I don't know how to dash up on my blouse, but that's okay. Me cool with phone. So I say, maybe me feel like one of them days, yeah. When Mrs. say yes, me can buy it, I'm say yeah, me can afford it, me go buy it. If me save towards it, me go buy it. And one day, me should have video that. And one day when me look, me see something on the bed. I say, oh, what is when me look? Not the phone. I said, no, you're not easy at all. But I appreciate it. I'm very appreciative, very, very much so. But I said, let me save towards it if I want it. But it's not, as I said, it's not a big deal for me. It don't matter. Like, phone is just a phone. I can call from it. To me, you know, my phone don't mean much to me. I love it and I appreciate the phone. But yeah, as I say, one day I would have saved towards a phone and change it. Because that phone I have, you know, for when iPhone, I don't know if I, whatever, 11 what, may have, see, but that's very interesting. Come out, I still have it and we just change it. Anyways, that is that. So this is our, I don't know. So this is the bag. It come with this and a screw. So I guess are the camera for going at this? I don't know. Maybe go read the booklet. I don't know. And the strap on by your hand.
Yeah.
This look like a something where, guys, I don't know. It's my first camera. It's my first camera. But I don't know. I think so. Yeah, it looks so. I maybe if you video the grown or something. I don't know. We'll figure out that later. And then this for the car. I only have one for the car, so we'll latch this too.
The glass.
Me have one, so I'm gonna latch this to the glass. And then how this pull out? How do I have the phone in this?
Camera you put on that.
Guys, I'm so you. Michelle will kill me. No, it's a cool device. Look here. I'm so used to your phone like American. This me ask how I put the phone but this kind of one of my half can wide out like this. Alright, excitement that kill me. Alright, so this is like a tripod. A tripod, you call this? A tripod? What is name again? May I have like 4 of them? What is name?
Not like a selfie stick.
Selfie stick. Girl, I don't know nothing here. Oh my gosh, I don't know nothing. Yeah, selfie stick. May I have like 4 of this. But I'm grateful. I love that too. I love everything. And what is this? Let's see, what is this? Guys, me also blink my eye, you know, bad a bit. Me don't know, but me also blink my eye, so blink like a blinky. Me need to cut out that bad a bit there. Oh, okay. So this is how we strap round here. Yeah. So like if me have video in front of me.
You go hiking or some activity.
Or if me go to Walmart and shopping at Walmart, me can use this round, but don't it? Yeah, I'm gonna feel hold up the thing in my hand. GoPro. You know about GoPro? I don't know what happened to me. That's something there. It has a name. What name again? Why am I not remember? This. Selfie stick. Selfie stick. I have one selfie stick long time. So I don't know how I don't know that. So this is how you put on this now. So what is going on? Oh. I think I saw. Let me try that one next time. Oh. So I guess your head got through this. Don't drop off wig. Don't drop off wig. In your hand. Yeah. Something like this. Yeah. Correct. Oh, nice. Just nice. Yep, we can do this. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, sliding the camera in front there.
Ah. It's giving. It's giving. It's giving. Yeah. Put it right there, so. And then walk and video. This is nice. I like how I always go park and so. Yeah, I love this. And I love go fishing and stuff like that. So one day I'm gonna bring a fishing with me. I hope me catch me dinner the day there. Yeah, so I'm gonna bring a fishing one day. And this, this is the stand. Oh, nice. We have 4 stand already. Plus the 2 ring lights. Okay. Oh, this is a stand. Look. Oh, you bite so you know when I. Oh, I like this. Stand for days. So much goodies. So much goodies. And what is again? No, sir. So, this now. Oh, this. I mean, when I read the booklet, then I'll know what everything is for. I don't know. You can look in it and tell me what it is.
Pole.
Float pole. Oh, so this float pole means like something to do with water. Okay. Yeah, from here floating like something to do with water. Oh, so I can bring this into the water as well. Watch ranch. Watch nice. But you can't follow me there, guys. I'm like that. Anyone I'm a cousin they will tell you. That's how I am. Oh, nice float pole. Nice float pole. And this, just tell me as I go along what this is. I'm going to talk from Elizabeth. What's this? Clip. So it's a backpack mount, so you can put it by your back.
Like a belt strap or something.
A belt strap. So this is for the back.
You slide it in or something like that.
So like you can fit it like behind you.
I think so.
Oh, okay. This nice bag. And then I think I just say use a bunch of screws, so you have things where you have to screw up. Just you screw them there. This is the thing we use and tighten it. So I love this. Woo. And last but not least, my camera. My camera. My camera. Oh, boxing that way all along. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry for that. I need a knife. My camera. I love this. I really and truly appreciate this. So my phone can get a mercy. Even though every now and then, if you know, I forget the camera at home or so, I can use my phone. So I not go dash my phone. I not dash away. Yeah. Me here to the end like Chucky. Yeah. Can't show me get new things me dash away. No phone. I love you still. Come here, mash up the box. I'm gonna mash up the box. Girl, what are you doing? Anyways, it's done bad already. I get a nice little pouch for this. Oh, I have a pouch. I have a pink pouch, yeah. But I not use the nothing, so. Yep. And guys, after this video, you're gonna see another video pop up. If you haven't watched it, guys, please go ahead and watch my videos, guys. Previous one from this. If you know, watch quite a few of them, go ahead and watch them. You're gonna love them. You're gonna love the videos, alright? So, wow. Why this a camera? Oh, then pack up this a camera, so. Okay. Alright, so this, it comes with one. This is like some strap. Yeah, this is some strap. Yeah, come with some strap. And this is for the camera. Something for screw. I'm put them right here because paper activated 24 months free warranty. Yep, nice. And then this come with another sticker and something, but after I finish the video I'm gonna know where them for.
Also come with a bunch of stuff too.
Come with a bunch of stuff. Like, it's a lot of goodies, guys. It's a lot of goodies.
These are for the camera for the GoPro. So the camera for the GoPro when I get it.
Oh, the GoPro. Oh, GoPro. Oh, I'm so grateful. Guys, call my friend. If you know my friend, call my friend. I'm very frightened today. I don't know what it is. That's something I have to do with the camera. This is what? I don't know. I think it's a battery thing. Yeah, I think that's a battery. This have an SD card too.
Supposed to.
Yeah, of course every camera have an SD card. Should I use to not need? Some other screws. And then the charger. And this.
It's like a charge 2 battery.
Oh, 2 battery, that's nice. So you guys gonna get loads and loads of vlogs because I can't save them like this. Because normally I do it on my phone, which make me have a MacBook where I can save them on. But yeah, you know what I mean. But I'll just go by camera. And this is another piece, guys. No, I'm not mix them up. I put all of that stuff over there. All of this over there. And the 2 batteries. This is nice. So I can charge this and carry it with me. And yeah.
And it can charge in the car too, based on the.
Ooh, I love this. And it can charge in the car too, guys. So I can't say I have a dead battery. I cannot say I have a dead battery. I cannot. And then some other goodies. Something else for the camera, but as I said, I'm gonna know exactly what they're for. I'm gonna read and find out. So this is the thing for clean the mirror. It have what is? I don't know what that is. I'll find out in a minute. And then it has another piece. Wow, it's about 20 piece, man. And this hour.
You can watch for start and stop it.
Oh, start and stop.
So you put it on your wrist.
Oh, I have a few of them, but the small one for like the ring light and the things like that. And for my phone, we can stop it. Okay. I love this. Give me a prank smaddy. That camera can add in here. I have so much place so I can add it. And nobody now go see it. Like nobody will see it. I'm not prank nobody. So this is the camera. 4K baby. Even though my phone can go 4K too. But 4K baby. Yeah. I'm so excited for it. I love it. Thank you so much. I appreciate this. This is a very good Christmas gift for me. I love this. I love this. This made my Christmas. I love it.
Pre-Christmas.
Pre-Christmas. All right. Let's see what Christmas gift is. Yeah, but I love this. I really love this. Even though Christmas is not far away. It's like a couple of time away from this. All right, guys. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to give the video a like, subscribe, and share, guys. And I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed and stay safe and have a beautiful evening.